everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Thaleena. I am a freelancer slash Etsy shop owner, very small Etsy shop owner here in Atlanta, Georgia. And this is my first studio vlog. I don't have much planned today. I do have commissions to do, but I usually do those on a separate day of the week, or I try to do it at a certain time of the day. But right now I can't focus because my room is kind of like dirty. I need to clean up my workspace, and you know, look at my printer, it has like stuff all over it. So that I might do. Nah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna clean up my studio. That's the first thing I'm gonna do today. Second, I might do some sticker designs for Christmas, so I'll definitely record that process, because I do have some things in mind that could be cute. It might be sellable, so I'll record that, and that will be it for today. But maybe for tomorrow it'll be different. I hope I can make this a weekly thing. I hope I have enough things to do to make this a weekly thing, because I'm already starting off, you know, bad, because it's what, Thursday? It's the first week of November. I didn't bother even trying to record on Monday. Election was 2 days ago, and I'm kind of like, you know, not really organized right now. So I guess watch me organize today. Watch me organize my life, because I think I need to get my life together. I'm gonna try my best to make this video enjoyable. I'll try. I can't make any promises, but I'll try. So enjoy. You can enjoy this montage of me cleaning my room, and I'll get back to you. This house is old, so whenever I'm walking and you hear like creaking and stuff, just know that it's just the wood floors. It's no big deal. Ignore it. Okay, I'm sitting on my bed, but this is how my workspace looks like. And this is also my workspace. This is also my workspace. It's not organized. Like, my room is too small to have everything in one section. So I'm gonna try my best to make it look, you know, less of an eyesore. And I have so much crap in my closet. So yeah, let's get to it. So this looks like a really bad position to put the Cricut there. My only issue is that I'm afraid that when using the Cricut over here, it might not get enough light for it to be like reading the sensors and stuff. But I really don't want it over there on the other side, because I want more room on that side. It makes sense to have everything here. I don't know. Let's see how it goes one day. want to show you here is my, yeah, excuse my nails, please. Is right here is my expensive ass printer. That costs like an arm and a leg. And this expensive ass Cricut machine that costs so what I have here is my cutting mats. I haven't opened those, so I'm just gonna leave it there. And I have all of my masks and stuff, which I will organize later. This right here is where I put all of my paint stuff, well, pretty much my art supplies, markers, color pencils, sketchbooks. Well, these two sections would be like pretty much all my packaging stuff. My cutting board thing, I don't know what to call those, but I have that. Pretty much paper, printing paper, shipping labels, and everything I print out, like stickers, prints, and stuff like that, I put them in this little organizer, so whenever someone orders, I'll just like, you know, grab and go kind of thing. Oh, I'm so out of breath. So this is my switch light and all this cables and stuff like that. I can't control it right now. And here is all of my rigid mailers and just regular like craft envelopes and little plastic baggies here. So yeah, this is all I have for now. Yeah. Awesome. So now it's 12 and I think I'm gonna take a break from cleaning. If anything, I'm kind of like about 90% done with cleaning. It's just I gotta do these drawers, which I don't have the energy right now to do it because I have so much shit. Like I really do. Like I have a lot of stuff that I just hoard up because, you know, it's sentimental. Not really. Makeup isn't that sentimental, but yeah. But right now, what I'm gonna do is maybe edit this video and see how it goes, and then later on today I'll record whatever I'm working on. So yeah. Hi, it's 7 p.m. From the time period I got done cleaning to now, I was pretty much busy. I was helping my brother out. We will get to the drawing soon. It's just like I could put some energy into it because it is late, and I will be normally drawing around this time either way, but it's just, yeah, I gotta feel a little bit more motivated right now. But yeah, I keep saying yeah, but yeah. Anyways, this right here is my girl. The lights here are for my plants. They're artificial lighting. They help them grow, apparently. That's what Amazon says. I will take a shower and then get to some drawing. that's all I have for now. I'm gonna continue this drawing tomorrow if I have enough time to do so, but for the rest of the night I think I'm gonna be working on a commission. So on to the next drawing. Okay, so I got to the point where I am getting sleepy. I took some melatonin earlier, so yeah. It is now, it's only 9, but I will end this vlog now. I hope you guys liked it. I'll try to do better next time. It's just that I don't have that much to do right now to show you guys what I'm, doing besides, commission work or like sketching new ideas and stuff like that. That's all I have for now. Yeah, hope you guys like it. Do the usual, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, check out my Etsy. I'll pop up, pictures of my stickers right here. But yeah, so see you guys next time.